Morning sir, in this video I am going to discuss the parts and function of vehicle. First is the engine. This is the heart of the vehicle. Second is battery. Provides electrical power to start the engine and power accessories. And then the exhaust manifold collects exhaust gases from multiple cylinders into one pipe. I'm going to discuss first the function of the parts and later I will show it to you. Exhaust pipe channels exhaust gases away from the engine, and this is the exhaust pipe. And then body panels, the exterior skin of the vehicle including doors, hood, trunk and fenders. This is the body panels. Is the side mirror, allows the driver to see areas behind the sides of the vehicle that are not directly visible through the rear view mirror or windows. And this is the side mirror. And the next is wiper, clean the rain dirt from the windshield. And this is the wiper. This is the seat. The seat provides seating for the driver and the passenger, and this is the seat. And next, this is the steering wheel, allowing the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. And this is the steering wheel. And next, I will show you the dashboard. This is the dashboard. The dashboard houses the instrument panel and controls the vehicle functions like climate control, audio system, and navigation. And this is the dashboard. This is the gearbox. And this is the gearbox. Changes the gear ratio between the engine and the wheels. And this is the gearbox. This is the signal light. This is used when you turn left or right. Next, brake pedal. Activates the braking system when pressed. And this is the brake pedal. And next is the accelerator. It's used to increase the flow of the fuel to the engine. And this is the accelerator. Clutch engages and disengages the engine from the transmission, and this is the clutch. And next is the starter. The starter is used for starting the car. And this is the next part of one is fuel tank. It stores the diesel fuel, and this is the fuel tank that stores the diesel fuel. This is the wheels. The wheels is contributing to the vehicle's movement, stability, and overall performance. And this is the wheels. This is the last part.